Guest of honor at speaker si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno sa paglulunsad ng Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban's Professorial Chairs on Liberty and Prosperity. Dinaluhan po ito ni na dating Pangulong Fidel Ramos, GMA Network Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Attorney Felipe Gozon at ng kanyang asawang si Teresa Gozon, dating Supreme Court Chief Justice Hilario Davide, Inquirer Chairperson Marixie Prieto, at pati na rin ng mga dean ng iba't ibang law schools at mga negosyante. Recipient naman ng Chief Justice Panganiban's Professorial Chair, sina retired Supreme Court Justice Adolfo Ascuna, Chancellor ng Philippine Judicial Academy, Dean Andres Bautista ng FEU Institute of Law, pati na rin si Dean Cedric Candelaria ng Ateneo de Manila Law School, at Dean Danilo Concepcion ng UP College of Law, Dean Jose Manuel Diokno ng De La Salle University College of Law, Dean Nilo Divina ng USC Faculty of Civil Law, at retired Supreme Court Justice Antonio Eduardo Nachura. Nanawagan naman si Panganiban sa mga miyembro ng hudikatura at sa publiko na suportahan si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno.
Siyang napili ng ating Pangulo at yung pagpili naman naayon sa ating saligang batas. I think the reform is definite because we have a new Chief Justice who has a fresh look at what's going on.